Welcome to the worksheet on projectile motion problems. I think what you really should do is try and solve these yourself first and then listen to my discussion. I am going to discuss how to approach these problems, which is the most important part, and then to be honest, I haven't made the key yet. Can you believe it? But anyway, I'm just going to explain how to do them, and then we will go over in class whether you got them right or not. But for the approach, I can go through that now. So, if a ball is thrown into the air with vertical speed of 15 meters per second, how long will it stay in the air before it hits the ground? Okay, so we know that V naught equals positive 15 meters per second. Y naught, we are going to assume the initial vertical height is 0, even though that's odd, you know. And then A sub g is, of course, as it is on Earth, 9.8 meters per second squared. And how long will it stay in the air before when it hits the ground? At that point, we set y, the vertical changeable height, equal to 0. And our question is, find the time when that happens. So we're going to do that, and let me just set you up with that. So let's see, it was 15 there. So the equation would be y equals negative 1/2. Well, I'll just go ahead and put a sub g, t squared plus v naught t plus y naught. Now let's plug it in. Negative 1/2, 4.9. T squared plus, I think it was 15, I hope it was 15, T plus, we say the initial vertical height was nothing, and we're going to set y equal to 0. So we get, you know what, this is 9.8. Okay, so then we get negative 4.9 T squared plus 15T equals 0, and you solve for T by factoring, and negative 4.9t plus 15 equals 0. And then you say, well, the 0 property holds here, that if two things are multiplied together and they equal 0, then one of them had better be 0. So either t equals 0 or negative 4.9t plus 15 equals 0. Logically, one of those must be the case. And so if you solve for t, you end up with t equals 3.0, I think, or 3.1, or something like that. So 3.3 seconds, basically. Anyway, that's how you do number 1. Number 2, if a ball is thrown into the air with a vertical speed of 7 meters per second, how high will it go? Okay, it's a little different question. How high will it go is not the same as asking how long is it in the air, but it's related. Our strategy here is going to be find out the time that it's flying through the air, up, down, kerplop, okay? So we find the time, and then we say, well, when was it at maximum height? Oh, that must have been at the halfway point, when it was halfway through its flight. So we'll take the time it takes to fly and divide that by 2. And then we'll take that little time and plug it in to the height equation, and then we'll find the height. So that's our plan, keeping in mind that we've got an initial vertical speed of positive 7. So let's get that going. Here we're going to have y equals negative 1/2 a sub g t squared plus v naught t plus y naught. And we're going to say negative 4.9 t squared. I'm skipping the 9.8 step, but hopefully you know that. Plus 7t plus nothing equals nothing. And so anyway, you go through all your calculations here, and you end up with negative 4.9 t plus 7 equals 0, or t equals 0. I skipped the factoring, but anyway, it happens. And so then you get 4.9t equals 7, and t equals 7 over 4.9.